Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be doing this look featuring the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So if you want to recreate this look, please keep on watching. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan. I'm just going to take a little bit each eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out with the Morphe M335. And then to set the concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Mineral Matte Finishing Powder. And this is in the shade Light Medium. Alright, so now that I've primed my eyelids, I'm now going into the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing today, but let's see. I'm going to start off with this really pretty purpley shade here, and that is the color Libra. I'm just going to dip my brush into here. Ooh. It's very light. So next shade I'm going to be taking is Hot Mess here. And I am just using this on a Sigma E25 brush. And I am just going to work this on the outer corners of my eyelid. I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to start off with the outer corner of my eye and then work it into the crease. The reason why I like to do it that way is just, especially if you put too much on your brush, at least you can like start off somewhere where you're not messing up your first eyeshadow shade. You can get rid of some of the excess off here and then start to round out the crease. Now for the lid shade, to take Gold Glitch. I'll actually take my finger instead. This is harder. Oh, yeah, it's a lot better. Side, I'm just going to take that same gold color on my ring, on my middle finger. Alright, so now to clean up the leftover glitter that got into my crease, I'm going to go back in with that same brush and take the color Hot Mess again and just lightly sweep over, just so I don't lose the definition. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 300. So I'm going to take 2 pumps, about 3, on the back of my hand. I'm going to dip my brush into here. I'm going to start working this into the skin. And now I'm going to be doing my concealer. I'm going to be taking the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Beige. I like to take this onto the chin, bridge of the nose, and then on my forehead. And then I also like to use under my eye, but this isn't the only concealer I'm going to use. I like to just use this first with my highlighting concealer to kind of cover any of like the dark circles or purple you see from under here. And mainly putting most of the concealer on the inner corner. I'm going to take this Shape Tape Concealer again. I'm just gonna, now using my Beauty Blender, I'm just gonna blend everything out. The Beauty Banana Powder. You can tell I've been using this a lot. I just want to make sure that like I'm taking the clean side of the Beauty Blender, so that way I'm not really disturbing too much of the color that's already on here. I'm going to dip sponge in, and I'm just going to tap away the excess. Alright, now I'm going to set the whole face. I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan, while also wiping away whatever powder is left on my face. Alright, and now to bronze the skin, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs bronzer in the shade Tantric. I'm just going to be taking this large brush. And I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. And for blush, I'm going to be using this blush palette. This is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to be using, I'm going to mix these two shades. And for highlight, I'm going to be using the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. It's the mini version, which I thought it was so cute. Alright, and now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray. I'm just going to be spraying it all over my face. Lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty lipstick. This is, I believe it's a matte lipstick, yeah, in the shade Prom Night. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs lip gloss, and this is in the shade Sugar Sugar. Alright, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!